This question is one of the questions that is repeated almost every year in different exams. We want to let you know the shortest approach to this question. Pay attention and let's move on. An element X in group 2 in the periodic table. When we mention elements in group 2 in the periodic table, we mean elements that have two valence electrons. And these elements automatically have valency of plus 2. Any element in group 2 must surely have valency of plus 2. Elements in group 1 must have valency of plus 1. Elements in group 3 must have valency of plus 3. But elements in group 4 must have plus or minus 4 of valency. Then, when we have elements in group 5, these elements in group 5, their valency must be minus 3 because they need 3 electrons to become stable. Elements in group 6 must have valency of minus 2. Elements in group 7 must have valency of minus 1. Now, let us look at this question. An element X in group 2, which means here we have X is equal to plus 2. Then react towards another element called Y, and this element called Y is in group 7. Remember what I said. Elements in group 7, they have 7 electrons at the valence shell. And having 7 electrons at the valence shell, they need only 1 electron to become stable. That 1 electron they need to become stable, they must borrow. And I've told you before in our previous video, if you watched it, that if an element needs 1 electron and it borrowed that 1 electron, that the valency of that element must be minus 1. So which means that the valency of Y is minus 1. And in the formation of this kind of compound, what we do is exchange of valency. So the first thing is to cancel the charges and we cross multiply. So 1 times x will give us x, then 2 times y will give us y2. So this is the compound formed by x and y. Thank you for listening.